Hello, travelers and road trippers. It's Maya. Today I'm excited to explore the versatility of the LINGYOKY car electric kettle, a must have for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road and appreciates the convenience of quick hot beverages and easy meal prep. The nifty kettle is designed to heat water quickly to precise temperatures, catering to a variety of needs. So we're going to talk about what you can use this for. So at 113 degrees Fahrenheit, it's perfect for warming water to mix with baby formula, ensuring that it's a gentle temperature. At 176 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for brewing your favorite teas. This setting lets you steep them just right, enhancing their flavor without boiling them. At 195 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature is ideal for coffee enthusiasts. So you heat the water to just the right temperature for pouring over your coffee grounds, ensuring a perfect brew every time. And 212 degrees Fahrenheit, that's boiling water swiftly to pour over your instant noodles or oatmeal. It's perfect for those moments when you need a quick and satisfying meal or snack. The LINGYOKY kettle plugs directly into your car's cigarette lighter socket and is compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt outlets, making it incredibly versatile for different vehicle models. It's particularly useful during long drives, traffic jams, or even when you need a warm drink to keep you alert and comfortable, making everything from instant soup to hot cereals a breeze. Cleaning is just as easy. Simply rinse and wipe it down after each use. This quick maintenance keeps your kettle ready for your next journey. So gear up for your next adventure with the LINGYOKY car electric kettle at your side. It's not just about hot water, it's about enhancing your travel experience, allowing you to enjoy the comforts of your favorite hot drinks and quick meals wherever the road takes you. Enjoy.
Absolutely love this.
Been some time